like the station of a capital. It looks like a smaller station. You know,
It looks like maybe
of a mid-sized city, not of a metropolis.
our train is in 30 minutes going to Cannes. Kararating lang namin galing Colombo at ito ang aming kwarto dito sa Candy. Look. Yan. At si Marco ay searching na naman kaagad ng kanyang cellphone. Oh, kinalkal na yung backpack ko. Daddy is there taking photo. So yan. Super fresh. Super nice and looks very good. And that's our terrazza. Ito ang aming view. Malapit lang pala siya sa train station. Kayang-kayang lakarin. Pero syempre kapag may luggage ka, hindi kaya. So sana yung 3 araw na pag-stay namin dito ay palaging magandang sikat ng araw. Dahil ngayon ay medyo mukhang makulimlim. Parang Baguio. Bahay sa gilid ng bundok. So, ayan. Let's see the toilet. Let's see the toilet. Marco already been my 3 towel. Perfect. We're walking barefoot. We are inside the we're going to the temple. So we have to walk barefoot. Huh? Hat? Okay. Not allowed though the hat. Okay, I will remove it. Thank you. Lakad lang kami, ate. Nanyo naman ang aming nakitang mga ibon-ibon. Mas ang daming ibon, oh.
The bird doesn't like that it's there. I say, get out of there. Went inside. It's here. Thousands of bats. Thousands. Millions. Oh my God. So many.
Ay, nakita nyo yan. Puro paniki siya. Ito naman, i-zoom natin. Nakita mo yung mga paniki. Ayan. Ayan, paniki yung kita mo yun. Yun. Ang dami. Lahat ng puno merong paniki sa banda dito. Ayun, oh, para siyang bunga ng mga puno. Ayan, oh, sa kabila rin, oh. Kaya nagtatatakbo ako kanina dahil baka maiputan ako. Si Marco, ayun, nagbabasa, oh.
This is a ficus.
It's beautiful here, look.
We had a guide.
Ito ay puno ng sampalok.
We had a guide.
Chituan, that was obligatory. You cannot go without guide.
You need the guide, anak, and a driver.
But you need at least a driver, okay? At least a driver that will stop at some.
Yung unggoy dito sa gilid, hindi kami makadaan. Kasi baka mamaya bigla akong agawan ng pakpak. Ayan, Marco, don't make noise. Love you na. Tatatakbo kami kanina sa kasi yung natutulog ng mga ng mga bat, ng mga tawag dito, paniki. Ang lalaki pa naman nakabitin doon sa tulog pa sila ganitong oras.
Okay, so
tapos may mga ibon pa na nakapatong sa ibabaw ng nung nakaraang lakad namin gabi, nataihan si Marco naiputan si Marco ng ibon sa ulo at saka sa papunta sa restaurant at naiputan si Marco ng ibon sa kanyang balikat. Tapos pabalik sa ulo naman. We're gonna cross the street. It's very
now look to the left.
danger. Where is that?
There.
That one?
Yes.
Dito ka na.
Maybe they have a terrace too. Maybe.
Careful, amore. So dito kami mag-aalmusal.
Maybe no. It's okay.
Breakfast. It's a bit hot.
It's all warm.
All warm and me too, I feel warm.
No, it's all warm, the thing.
Anak, it's still hot. My gosh.
Because you put it in the microwave, you know?